Novena for our Christmas dinner. Like in any holiday, you have to reserve in advance kasi fully booked na sila agad-agad. We ate at Marriott Bonvoy Sky 22. Syempre kasama natin ang barkada with Blue Panda and Ate Tessa with their Mother Earth. Dahil seafood buffet ito, napakadaming hipon, tahong, lobster, and oyster na hindi mapanghi. Merong mga Western, Middle Eastern, and Singaporean cuisines like beef skewers, tuna, and grilled shrimp. For dessert, sangkatutak na cakes and pastries. And syempre, di pa patalo ang famous Singapore chili crab. Tignan mo siya merong seafood allergy yan pero go lang ng go. This may be our last Christmas in Singapore before relocating to UK, so ito todo na natin. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang away, lalo na't si Blue Panda di marunong kumuha. For more LMJ adventures, please subscribe, follow, like, and share.